This is a festival with a lot of difference. This is a unique festival, as you know. I think ace guitarist amongst the most famous names we have in the classical slide guitar playing ragas here in India is Pandit Debashish Bhattacharya. He's done quite a bit for this art and the instrument in general. We have heard of various festivals like the Sarod festival. We even have the Taal festivals where we play the tabla. I think there are organizations like Jalsha Horn, I remember, which did the Sitar festival. So various kinds of instruments, and these are all classically Indian classical instruments. Say the Sarod, the Sitar, the Surbahar, the Veena, you see. But there are other instruments which have been given the status of classical instrument, and amongst them it is very difficult to give the status of an Indian classical instrument to an instrument which is essentially not from India. A guitar is a Hawaiian guitar, and we have musicians from Hawaii playing for us today, tomorrow, and for the next few days. And
such compositions, and it is unique in Calcutta, I must say. Debashish has organized, and we are having Brij Bhushan Ji, the legend, with us, and I am sure for 5 days, and I am sure it will be a great success, and we will have something new dimension in the slide guitar history, through this festival and all these activities. And I congratulate Debashish, thankful all of us to him to arrange of this International Guitar Festival. So many unique musicians from all over the world are participating, and we can see and watch how the boundary can be, related with our imagination. So it's amazing, and we all are thankful to Debashish. That much I can say. My always wish for him. I know him since his later childhood, and I can see that he has made himself this kind of one of the finest musicians of India through his struggle and through his dedication and discipline. And of course, Brij Bhushan Ji's contribution is always, and blessings is there. Thank you.
Respected Pandit Brij Bhushan Kabra Sahab, the father of Hawaiian guitar in India, Pandit Shankar Ghosh Ji, and Vikram Ji's mother, Jaya Ji, और मिसेस काबरा भी यहाँ पे बैठी हैं, कमला जी, उनको भी मैं नमन करता हूँ. And all of you, one thing I would like to mention, that this is something happening for the first time in India. This organization has really done a great job, and credit goes to Debashish Bhattacharya for doing this initiative, and let us give him a very big round of applause for making this possible. And I have come to know that there is a lot of enthusiasm for this festival all over the world. People are writing to me, people are sending messages, and they want to know about this festival. So I'm just very, very sure that this will be continued forever, and Debashish is really doing a great job. He himself is a wonderful player and a very good disciple of Pandit Kabra Ji, and this festival, I really wish all the success for this. And they have invited international artists too from so many countries. So it is a wonderful effort for and to promote this slide guitar in India. That is a wonderful job. Thank you. My humble offering, today I am not playing as an artist here. It is just to pay tribute to Pandit Kabra Ji today. Whatever I am today is just because of him. So I am just paying back it to him. Thank you very much. So I am just...
परम आदरणीय हमारे काबरा साहब जी, जिनको हम फादर ऑफ स्लाइड गिटार हम कहते हैं उनको, और आपका यहाँ आना, माँ का यहाँ आना हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़े सौभाग्य की बात है। और सबसे पहले मैं इस समारोह का श्रेय हमारे पूजनीय दादा पंडित देवाशीष भट्टाचार्य जी को मैं देना चाहती हूँ, जिन्होंने ये समारोह इतनी मेहनत से, इतने प्यार से इस समारोह का इन्होंने आयोजन किया है, जिसमें देश भर से और विदेश से भी लोग आए हैं इसमें परफॉर्म करने के लिए। और ये अपने आप में पहला और अनूठा ये गिटार के नाम से जो गिटार फेस्टिवल हुआ है, इसके लिए मैं उनको दिल से मैं उनके लिए बधाई देती हूँ। और मेरे बड़े भैया हैं वो, उन्होंने हमें आमंत्रित किया और इसके लिए मैं उनके लिए आभार प्रदर्शित करती हूँ। और बहुत सुंदर तरीके से उन्होंने इस आयोजन को अच्छे मुकाम पे लेके चल रहे हैं वो।
I welcome you all, seeing a dream come true. I had never imagined that seeing a lonely guitar hanging, and I just wanted a company, that it will lead me to a journey of such a vast area of happiness and this. And then I truly realized that music and knowledge do not belong to any country. They are universal. Names change, things change. There was a Iktantri Veena from which a string instrument started, which we call the Nardiya Veena. Then it went to 4, then it went to 6, then it even went to 100. So, I am very, very today thankful and grateful to my father when he said, all right, you want to do this, but then you should also remember our own culture, our own identity. Can you bring this to it? Because world is now one. Now today information and technology has brought it one. But before that also, Om is the same everywhere. It doesn't make any difference to which country you belong. Any instrument doesn't belong to any country. Any music doesn't belong to any country. The shlok of Gita doesn't belong to India alone. So, now what we have come to an age when the whole world wants to get together. They want to live in peace. They want to live in music. They want to live in harmony. So, this is not a festival. Festival is in us. This is a festivity. That the joy of a festival comes out of you, which is within you. And it is a universal thought. Why should we think that anybody living in America is an American? And we are living in India, we are an Indian. After all, first we are human beings. We belong to the same planet. This music is one bonding thing which will bring this planet together. These continents will disappear. These boundaries will disappear. And the only thing which will bring us together is knowledge. And to enjoy that knowledge, that universal knowledge, it is, music is the only universal language.
Thank you. Thank you.
Which doesn't require any other alphabets, which doesn't require anything else. This is the only world's universal language, like Om. I am fortunate that it was through Ajay Chakravarti's effort, and while I was playing in a concert arranged by Vijay Bhai, that Ajay brought Devashish to me, and he said, Panditji, you have been thinking of teaching somebody for the last 5 years, asking everybody, can you give me a good student? Today I brought one. I said, all right, I like to hear him. When I heard him, I thought I saw that potential. And I only asked his father, can you give a son to me? So he said, what is this question? Mankafra, if you decide that he wants to learn from me, from that day, he'll be my son, not your son. And till his education is complete, he'll not be coming to Calcutta. I'm fortunate, and the other part is his ability to withstand a person like me. I am a very humble person, but I am also a very harsh person. Like my friends know me. Because without harshness, without that feeling of ambition, you can't achieve anything. In Hindi, like we say, अहम से अहंकार होता है, लेकिन अहम के बिना जीवन नहीं होता. और अहंकार हमको नीचे गिरा देता है, लेकिन अहम से ही जीवन होता है. मेरे में ये अहम था कि मैं इसको वो बनाऊंगा जो कोई जन ने नहीं बनाया. जैसे मेरे भाई शिव की इच्छा थी कि वो भी अपने बेटे को ऐसा बनाए जैसा कोई दूसरा नहीं हुआ. जैसे हरि की भी ये इच्छा थी. और आज हमारी इस ट्रिनिटी की ये इच्छा पूरी हुई है कि हम तीनों अपने बच्चों के अंदर वो चीज़ देख रहे हैं जिसका हम भी सपना लेते थे. आज हम ये चाहते हैं कि इस यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज के थ्रू हमारे देश के अंदर कोई ऐसा सोच के क्यों आए कि मैं इंडिया आ रहा हूँ. वो ये सोच के आए कि मैं अपने घर आ रहा हूँ. क्यों ऐसा? बस. और भगवान करे देवाशीष शतायु हो और अपने बड़ों का ऐसे ही मान करे, इतना सम्मान करे, ये कभी ना भूले कि वो क्या है या क्या हो गया है. और संगीत की ऐसी ही सेवा करता रहे, सारे विश्व की सेवा करता रहे. धन्यवाद.